Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School, Toddi, Gudakodji. Yesterday we read about the inverse circular function. It means definition of inverse circular function denoted by inverse circular function and table of the principal value of inverse circular function. And today we will read about the properties of inverse circular function. Let's start the topic. Properties of inverse circular function. Some properties. First, sine inverse x is equal to x is equal to sine inverse over sine x. Sine over sine inverse x equal to x. Sine inverse x, sine inverse over sine x equal to x. Second, cos over cos inverse x equal to x and cos inverse over cos x. Sine inverse cancel out. Sine inverse sine cancel out is equal to x. Similarly, last circular function, cosec inverse x equal to x and cosec inverse of cosec x equal to x. And sine inverse minus x equal to minus sine inverse x. Tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x is equal to pi minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x equal to pi minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse minus x equal to minus cosec inverse x. Cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Sec inverse minus x equal to pi minus sec inverse x. Cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Properties of inverse circular function, 6 types and 6 types. Next topic, other important standard formula. Other important standard formula. Other important standard formula are 5 types. Part first, prove that other important standard formula are 5 types. Part first, prove that. Part first, it means 3 part, A, B, C. First part, sine inverse x plus minus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse x into root 1 minus y square plus minus y root 1 minus x square. साइन इनवर्स x प्लस माइनस साइन इनवर्स y इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x इंटू रूट वन माइनस एक्स वाई स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस वाई रूट वन माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. प्रूव दैट लेफ्ट इज इक्वल टू राइट. लेफ्ट साइन इनवर्स x प्लस माइनस साइन इनवर्स y. लेट साइन इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू थीटा वन implies x is equals to sin theta 1 and sin inverse y equal to theta 2 implies y equal to sin theta 2. Then we know that sin theta 1 plus minus theta 2 is equal to sin theta 1 cos theta 2 plus minus cos theta 1 sin theta 2 implies theta 1 plus minus theta 2 is equal to sin right side, it means sin inverse over sin theta into sin theta 1. Cos theta 2, it means root 1 minus sin square theta 2 plus minus cos theta 1 minus sin square theta 1 root into sin theta 2. Putting the value of theta 1 and theta 2, theta 1 sin inverse x plus minus theta 2 sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse sin theta 1 x into root sin theta 2 y 1 minus y square plus minus root sin theta 1 x 1 minus x square into sin theta 2 y, it means y. Left is equal to right, hence proved. Okay. Part second. First part, it means first formula. Cos inverse plus minus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy minus plus root 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Same first part, let cos inverse x equal to theta 1 implies x equal to cos theta 1. Cos inverse y equal to theta 2 implies y is equal to cos theta 2. We know that cos theta 1 plus minus theta 2 is equal to cos theta 1 cos theta 2 minus plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2 implies theta 1 plus minus theta 2 is equal to cos inverse over cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 minus plus sin theta 1 1 minus cos square theta 1 का रूट into sin theta 2 1 minus cos square theta 2 of root 2 root. Putting the value of theta 1 theta 2 and cos theta 1 cos theta implies theta 1 is equal to cos inverse x plus minus theta 2 is equal to cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse cos theta 1 x y minus plus 1 minus x square root and 1 minus y square root. Hence proved. It means LHS is equal to RHS. Part third. First formula, tan inverse x prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Let same part first and second. Let tan inverse x equal to theta 1 implies x equal to tan theta, and tan inverse y is equal to theta 2 implies y equal to tan theta 2. We know that tan theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 implies theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to tan inverse tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 implies putting the value of theta 1, theta 2, tan theta 1 and tan theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to tan inverse x, theta 2 is equal to tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse tan theta 1 equal to x, tan theta 2 equal to y, 1 minus x into y. Hence proved. Okay. Next part, fourth. Prove that first part, it means formula first, cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse xy minus 1 upon में x plus y. Same part first, second and third. Let cot inverse x equal to theta 1 implies x equal to cot theta 1. Cot inverse y equal to theta 2 implies y equal to cot theta 2. We know that cot theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to cot theta 1 cot theta 2 minus 1 upon में cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 implies theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to cot inverse cot theta 1 cot theta 2 minus 1 by cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2. Putting the value of theta 1, theta 2, cot theta 1 and cot theta 2. Theta 1 cot inverse x, theta 2 cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse cot theta 1 x into y minus 1 upon में x plus y. Hence proved. Next part, fifth. Prove that formula first, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta implies x equal to sin theta. Equal to x equal to sin theta. It means cos pi by 2 minus theta. Sin theta equal to cos pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 minus theta sin theta. X equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. X equal to cos pi by 2 minus. Again, sin inverse x equal to theta implies x equal to sin theta. It means cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. X equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta implies cos interchange left side. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Putting the value of theta, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Theta equal to sin inverse x implies sin inverse x left side, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Hence proved. Formula complete. Let next exercise 2.1 question number 2. Question number 2. Prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse minus 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 minus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to pi by 4. Left. Prove that. Okay. LHS is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 minus tan inverse 1 by 7, because 2 tan inverse x. Apply the formula. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon में 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 x equal to 1 by 2. Apply the formula. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2. It means tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon में 1 minus 1 by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse 2 cancel out. 1 by 1 LCM 4 minus 1 3 by 4. It means 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 7. Again formula. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Apply the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. X equal to 4/3 and y is equal to 1/7. Tan inverse 4/3 minus 1/7 upon में 1 plus 4/3 into 1/7 is equal to tan inverse LCM 21, LCM 21. It means 28 minus 3/21 by 21 plus 4/21 implies LHS is equal to tan inverse 25/25. Cancel out. It means tan inverse 1 is equal to tan inverse 1 tan pi by 4. Apply the formula tan inverse over tan x equal to x. It means pi by 4 is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proof. Okay. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.